Welcome to day one of the 60-day AMA program. Here are the highlights from the session. Nick outlined a few key things that are underway. The team is busy finalizing outstanding supply payments. Currently, we are waiting on an invoice for X30 miners for settlement. The community can expect activities to be showcased which will clearly demonstrate the ownership of activities. Jeremy provided an update on the Awakening Network, described as a non-asset-based blockchain testbed currently operational. The purpose of this test network is to identify and resolve issues, with bugs being addressed in a non-public development environment. An ASIC network utilizing test ASICs has been successfully integrated, and mining with Stratum 2 is functioning well. Plans are in place to involve community leaders for verification of the system's operations are underway, though the network will not be publicly accessible. The next significant initiative includes adding staking to the existing protocol. Jeremy describes this as a Layer 2 staking mechanism aimed at incentivizing token holders to retain their tokens, thereby stabilizing the network and price. The proposal includes a staking reward system where 90% of the rewards from each mine block will go to stakers and 10% to the miners. Aiming for strong long-term network benefits, the implementation will be expedited for completion by the end of January. Jeremy discussed upcoming audits, including code auditing for the staking mechanism and the TGD contract, focusing on aspects like vesting. The goal is to run these audits in parallel to avoid delays. Additionally, he plans to launch a new testnet iteration next month called Incarnation. The asset network will become public, allowing the initially delivered X30s to join through a public pool we provide. While individuals can create their own pools, we will facilitate easy access to our pools during the testnet phase. Jeremy discussed the current state of the Awakening Network, mentioning that the network is currently operating at approximately 1,400 transactions per second, with a goal of reaching 2,000, facing certain latency barriers. The intention is to engage the community in testing the network to improve its performance.